What's the connection between low estrogen and bone health? Let's talk about it. Your bones are stimulated by hormones for growth and repair. There's two types of bone cells, osteoclasts and osteoblasts. Osteoclasts resorb old bone, while osteoblasts build new bone. Osteoclast activity is controlled by estrogen. The lower your estrogen level is, the greater osteoclast activity you have, and the more bone is broken down. If your bone is broken down faster, then it can be rebuilt by the osteoblasts. Then you're going to develop osteopenia and eventually osteoporosis, meaning you've lost bone. It's very important for menopausal women to prevent bone loss to make sure they're getting an adequate amount of estradiol, counterbalanced, of course, by an adequate amount of progesterone. You can tell if you're not getting enough estradiol to control your bone loss by getting a urine crosslinks test. Crosslinks are the amino acid web formed in your bone to hold the minerals, and you start leaking it out more in the crosslinks test when you have high osteoclast activity, breaking down bone too quickly due to your estrogen levels being so low. A DEXA scan will show you how much bone you have now, but that reflects previous 12 to 18 months, where the urine crosslinks gives you information about how to adjust your estradiol levels every 8 weeks or so. If you have any questions about low estrogen and bone health, please join us in our free hormone reboot training. I'll see you in the next video.